Hello everyone, welcome to Physiophysics. I hope you people are doing well. In this particular video, we are going to learn about some thermodynamic scales. Okay? So, first thermodynamic scale is Celsius scale, which we are aware of since our school days. In Celsius scale, we have two reference point. One is ice point of water and another is steam point of water. Generally, we assign ice point of water as 0 degrees Celsius, while steam point of water can be assigned to value of 100 degrees Celsius. Now we divide Celsius scale into 100 divisions. That's how we measure temperature of any body using Celsius scale. Our second thermodynamic scale is Fahrenheit scale, in which we assign ice point to 32 degree Fahrenheit, while steam point is assigned to value of 212 degree Fahrenheit, right? So here we have number of divisions between this point as 180 degree, right? So that's how we make Fahrenheit scale. To convert degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, let us plot one graph in which on the y-axis we take degree Fahrenheit, while on the x-axis we take degree Celsius, right? Now on the Celsius scale we have ice point at 0 degrees Celsius while steam point is at 100 degrees Celsius, right? And for Fahrenheit scale ice point is 32 degree Fahrenheit while steam point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So our graph will be like straight line from this 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Now as we have graph equation as y equals to mx plus c. On the y-axis we have Fahrenheit, so it will be F. Mx we have to find, m is our slope, we have to find that. X is our Celsius plus c is our intercept on the y-axis, that is 32, right? Now let us find the slope. Slope can be found as, so this is 100, okay? So slope will be delta y by delta x. Delta y we have 32 to 212, that is 180, and delta x we have 0 say 100, that is 100. That's why it will be 9 by 5. So here we will have 9 by 5. Therefore degree Fahrenheit will be equals to 9 by 5 degrees Celsius plus 32, right? So this is our main equation to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now our third temperature scale is Kelvin scale or absolute scale. On the y-axis we take pressure, while on the x-axis we take temperature, which is degree Celsius, right? Now what Kelvin did, Kelvin took three different gases and changed their temperature and measured their pressure, right? So Kelvin took first gas and he measured pressure at different temperature and plotted one single line graph. Now he took another gas which was at different pressure and different temperature and plotted the same graph like this. Again, he took third gas and measured pressure at different temperatures. So, if this gas is A, B, and C, so here we can take 0 degree Celsius, and this point where these three lines are meeting was minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. This point is our 0 Kelvin. Therefore, 0 Kelvin equals to minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. That's why we have equation for temperature of Celsius to temperature of Kelvin as A equals to T plus 273.15, right? So this is our main equation to convert temperatures from Kelvin to Celsius. Now let us make one table for different temperature scales and their ice point, steam point, and number of divisions on the scale and absolute zero temperature. The ice point for Kelvin is taken as 273.15 Kelvin, right? On Fahrenheit, as we know, it is 32 degree Fahrenheit, right? And in Celsius, that was around 0 degrees Celsius. Steam point is just plus 100 of ice point, that will be 373.15 Kelvin. And in Celsius, we will have 100 degrees Celsius, right? And in the Fahrenheit scale, it is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Here number of divisions are 100, here number of divisions are 180, and here we have 100 number of divisions, right? And absolute zero for Kelvin is 0 Kelvin, right? On the Fahrenheit we have it is minus 459.69 degree Fahrenheit, and on the Celsius scale absolute zero is minus 273.15 degree Celsius. So these are the main values to remember for the different temperature scales. Now let us discuss one important topic, that is temperature conversion. Okay. So we have one general formula to convert any temperature, right? So we have reading on scale minus lower fixed point for that particular temperature scale, right? Lower fixed point is generally ice point divided by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. Now upper fixed point is generally 10 point, that is constant for all scales. Therefore we can have one general formula, like on Celsius scale we can take reading C minus lower fixed point is 0 divided by 100 minus 0 would be equals to Kelvin minus 273.15 divided by 373.15 minus 273.15, right? On Fahrenheit scale, we can take reading as F minus lower fixed point is 32 divided by upper fixed point we take 212 minus lower fixed point is 32, right? That will be constant for all scales. So this is our main general formula to convert any temperature. Now we can add here any general temperature scale which can be x minus lower temperature divided by T higher minus T lower. That will be our general formula to calculate any temperature. Now one important thing to consider, that is difference of temperature. On different temperature scales, right? Now we had Kelvin equals to 273.15 plus Celsius. Therefore, if we take delta both the side, delta K will be equals to delta C. Difference of 273.15 will be 0. Therefore, the change in Kelvin will be equals to change in the Celsius scale. Now, on the Fahrenheit, we have F plus 9 by 5 C plus 32. Therefore, if we take delta both the side, therefore will be delta F equals to 9 by 5 into delta C. Therefore, 5 delta F equals to 9 delta C. That will give us difference on the Fahrenheit scale and on the Celsius scale.